So you want to be a full-time musician? One of the best ways that you can make money in the music industry is by recording original music. If you've never written a song before, you can co-write. This will get your confidence up. Connect with other musicians through platforms like Music Gateway, SoundCloud, or Upwork, and get your co-writing on. When you write a song, you need to establish if your song is actually any good. So play it for friends, family, or anyone who will listen. Take your time. Before you've recorded anything, sit them down and play them your music. Don't ask them what they liked, ask them what they would do differently. I'm not saying that you listen to everyone's advice, but sometimes people have ideas that will really stand out and help craft your song in the right direction. When I'm writing a song and I'm struggling with what to write about, I do one of two things. I either tell somebody else's story, or I go online and research poems and quotes for a little bit of spark. If you're looking for rhyming couplets and you're stuck on a word, make sure you use a fantastic app called Rhyme Zone. Punch your word in and it'll give you loads of options with what you can rhyme with that word. Very useful.